Hello viewers, we are creating an application using AppSheet from Google Forms. This process is very easy. Let's start. First go to Forms, Google Forms, and create a Google form. Go to Forms. On Google ID, it's a free service. Create a blank form and give it a title. Let's say laundry order form, and this is the name of your form. And now let's add some questions. Let's describe this form. Order from home. We will pick the laundry. Okay, let's start questions. The first question is, let's say, name, short answer. Okay. The second, let's add another question. Let's say order type, what you are wash type. Let's say what you want to wash, wash type. Let me make it multiple choice. Let's say if it's a dry clean, whether it's a dry clean. Add another option, add an option. Wet wash, the normal wash, and add an option. Third, only iron order. And let me add another question. Let's say phone number, short answer. It will pick it automatically. The forms are getting intelligent. It picks the type automatically. Let's say address, and it's also a paragraph. Okay, we are done here. Now we are a requirement here. We should create one sheet for the responses. Let's create a sheet for this. It's necessary. Let me create a new form here. Come here, create. It will create responses sheet automatically in your drive, so it makes your life easy. It will create automatically a table for you, a spreadsheet, a Google sheet automatically for you in your Google Drive. You can check it later. Now let's come to the question. Let's add an add-on. We have an add-on for AppSheet. Get an add-on. Here in add-on we have an add-on AppSheet in Forms. Let's say we create an AppSheet, an add-on. We are adding AppSheet. Here is the AppSheet 4.2. It's ranking, so 2 million people have already installed this add-on. Let's install. Okay, install. It will ask for permission. Give the permission so that they have the access to your Google Drive where your responses sheet is there. So we are done. The AppSheet add-on is installed in your form. We are done. Close, and an AppSheet dialog box is open. Ask this add-on to prepare your app. Simple. Now it is creating an app for you, and they have already created one for you. Launch it. it will go to the app sheet. If you're not signed in, they will ask you for to sign in to your app sheet, which is free. That's a free service. So there we go. We have this app sheet app created for you uh, on the basis of that form, and you can see here it picks automatically the address. We can change the type of this input type, data type, add to address, convert it to address, and there we go. We have this, we have one untitled question. Let me delete this, but I don't want this, or let me say I don't want this. Okay, now refresh. So here we have, go to the data and regenerate, so that we have this one extra question that we have added. I don't want that, so now we don't have that one question. Okay, there we go. We have this app. You can see this is the desktop view. This is the desktop view of this app for you. We created from Google Form. Now if you share this application with your customers, they will write their name is, let's say, Shahid, wash type, let's say dry clean, phone number, you give your phone number, address, it will pick automatically, and save. It goes to your, it goes to the spreadsheet, your table, which is there in your drive. So in this way you can create your application from Google Form. If you want to make it public app, let's say let me make it a public app. So how we can create your app sheet? Go to the security. I don't want to require sign in, so in this way it will become the public app. Now everyone can you can share with everyone. It will require no sign in. So in this way this has become now the public app. Now you can share the link of this app with your customers. Let's see how we can share. Here in share button you can share the link with your customers on your through your let's say social media or any other, through social media. You share the link of your app with your customers, and they will, in this way you can get the orders through this app. When you share the link, copy the link, install link, you share, copy this and share with your customer. If you have the number, phone numbers, share the link with your let's say with your customers. Thank you so much. In this way we have built an application, a mobile application using your Google Forms. Thank you so much.